is my Palomino mare, and it's Platinum Blonde. I call her Blondie. She's a walking horse. And if you've watched any of the other videos, you've seen how we've been working with her to get her to settle down, and you know, she's chilling. You hear that? That's a cricket in her bit. Just put, I've been riding her in a Mylar snaffle for a while. I changed it on another mare I had. I changed to that one on another mare I had this. This is Pat Puckett's bit. He calls it his missing link snaffle because it doesn't have a link in it, and it's got a little roller in there that's a cricket that makes a noise when they roll their tongue on it. And easy girl. Anyhow, I was just talking to Eric about this, how she overreacts, like when I put my leg on her. Instead of just correcting a little bit, she kind of will go into like a spin or something. It's kind of like she's thinking it's like a trick. I didn't train it to her like that, but I'm just saying, like an overreacting. Anyhow, the missing link is a good, it's just a pressure and release bit. I'll put a picture of it into the, I'll splice a picture into the video so you can see what it looks like. It has 2 rings on it and has a cricket in the middle. You'll see it there. Anyhow, I'm trying it out on her because she's getting, I can see a time here when she's going to be in a Western bit, and I'm trying to get her that way right now. I'm trying to ride one-handed. She's got quite a bit that needs to be done before I get her into that, but I wanted to try the missing link again. I took it out on this other mare I had. I thought for some reason she didn't like it or something. I think it was probably just more me than anything, other things I was doing. Anyhow, I didn't see that bird or something. Come on, girl, you can go. Let's go. Just a bird. And anyhow, so I'm trying it out again. I've ridden other horses in it. I like it. Anyhow, I'm gonna try it and see how she does. But when she rolls that, like right now, she's not rolling it, okay, at all. And that tells you that her mouth is kind of locked up, her tongue's kind of locked up, and she's bracing on the bit because she's worried, okay? And then sometimes they'll do it like crick, 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 and it tells you that they're nervous too. So it's a good indicator for what they're doing. You want to just an intermittent, what Pat says, you just want an intermittent creak of the cricket, like creak, creak, you know, creak, creak, just every once in a while, like that. Like someone's chewing gum or something, not in a nervous way, you know, just something like that. So yeah, she's blown out there. That's really good. So, but it's another real cool day. It's in the 30s, and so the horses get kind of fresh. She's getting a lot better. I didn't turn the camera on. I just kind of forgot until I was already in the backyard, and she went right up the driveway to where we're going. Now she's kind of got other things on her mind. I'm not really sure. So I'm just kind of trying to get down to the main trail here. Okay. There we go. Easy, girl. Easy. 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 I might have to use 2 hands here and start disengaging her and stuff in a minute. Let her know that I'm Got some. All right, I just put my right leg on her. She is so good. She said she spin like that. That was just for my right leg. Now I'm gonna put my left leg on her. Lean back a little bit. See, she'll just. Come on, girl. Doesn't turn as good to the right. There you go. There you go. Good girl. Like I said, she's a fun horse to ride because I think she's going to be spectacular when she gets through. When she gets her, I don't know, when she gets through whatever's going on her, you know? And I mean, like I said, I didn't start her, and I'm not blaming anybody. You know, she's a nice horse, but you don't know how they started her. And I don't know if someone really startled her or spurred her or something. I don't know. Or if she's just sensitive, you know? It could just be that she's sensitive and now she's getting into a higher level of training, and you know, she's just got to work through this stuff. Something in her mind is telling her that, you know, it's gonna be some sort of shoe gonna drop, you know, or something. I don't know. Whoa. I lost my balance a little bit there. All right. See, when I change directions with her, she like I'm on a speed up. Wow, easy girl. Easy girl. Easy girl. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good girl. You're such a good girl. You don't want to bottle them up. You want them to be able to get some of this out. It's the best thing for them. And a zigzag, like serpentine, is really good too. Changing directions, because they have to think every time they do it, you know. Okay. I'm sure that there's an easier way, girl. There's an easier way. There you go. That's an easy way. See, just settle down. Just settle down. Settle down. Like I said, she's really fun to ride because she's super sensitive, like with your legs, and she picks up on your body and all that, you know. So she's really fun like that. She's not at all dead-sided or anything. She just gets a little worried sometimes, and I think she's getting more and more, she's leaning on me more and more for her confidence. I'm starting to see that today, like when I saddled her up. You know, we hang our horses from these rings on the beams, and I've been teaching her to ground tie. Been doing a lot of that with her, and she's pretty good at it. She's not perfect, but she's pretty good. And so I had hung her with this bridle and with the rope halter over her bridle, and the rope. So she was hung from the rope halter, but she had this new bit on so that she could play around with it in her mouth and get comfortable. And I did that, and no, they're gonna go this way. I did that, and when I was taking it off, she's standing there. I took off the rope halter and just took it off her, and she's just standing there with my bridle on, with her new bridle on. And easy girl, easy. Whoa, easy. All right. She was just standing there, and easy girl, easy. Okay, so she was standing there, and I just took the rope halter off and just walked it over and hung it up, and she actually followed me. You know, she turned and followed me, you know, which is a good sign. It shows that she's, you know, hooked on and ready to work, you know, ready to do something, which is really good. So that was pretty cool. So we're trying to she's still kind of, she's got a lot of energy right now. Could be the cold too, you know, a little bit. I don't worry about it. I know she's trying. She's trying so hard, so. I mean, how can you fault them when they're trying, you know? And I'm trying too. I'm trying to help her through this and get real comfortable, you know? So it's a good thing. It's a beautiful day though today. It's blue skies. Okay, let's go across the creek. She'll just race across creeks and stuff. She loves going in the creek. Now you hear it now. Her cricket's not going, so her tongue is locked on the cricket right now. So that tells me that she's not really relaxed. See, so she's holding that her tongue balled up and holding that cricket quiet, like, so she's kind of clenching it. So it's a good indicator. It lets you know where their mind is. There you go, girl. There. Now she did a little bit there. There you go. There you go. All right. See your head's up. Okay, girl. All right, here we go. Let's just turn her. Gotta turn her. All right, slow down. Slow down. Slow down, girl. Easy. 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 Easy peasy. There you go. See how she's doing it now a little bit? So like that movement, like asking her to do stuff, really kind of helps calm her mind. This is a nice area down along the creek to work around some trees and stuff like this, you know. There we go. Keep watching out for that one. It's got thorns all over it. All right. Easy, girl. Oh, easy, 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 easy. This is where she smashed me into a tree one day here. Because I had my leg on her. Like I had my right leg on her trying to get her to turn left, and she was ignoring it. In the last minute she turned left right into a tree. I thought we were going to miss the tree, but then she turned right into it, smashed my knee into it. I filed that in my memory. All right, easy. I gotta take her head away. She's not listening. She's not listening. Easy, easy, girl. So when you do this too, hold on a second, when you take their head away like this, eventually this becomes a calming thing. See, sometimes horses have a hard time calming themselves, whatever's in the environment or whatever, a hard time calming themselves. And so, believe it or not, when you get them to stop like that, if you're consistent about it and you wait till they're calm before you release them, it trains them. It's like a calming thing. It's like if someone were to have panic attacks or something, there's things that they can do to help train themselves to get themselves through a panic attack. Okay? And so I think horses have like worry attacks where they just get really worried. And that's what happens with her. She gets really worried. But you see how that helped her? Now she can go get worried again here real in the next minute. I don't know. But that helped her. See how that helped her? And you would think it's kind of like counterintuitive. You think it wouldn't, but it does. She's trying to get over that. So yeah, when you ask them to do stuff, they have to start paying attention to you. And that helps them calm down too. Easy, girl. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. She's pretty high-headed right now. There, she dropped it. Good. Good. See, when she drops her head like that, I just say that. Good. And then she knows what that means. Now, sometimes she's too nervous to think about it or to where it matters much to her. But there's times where it really does. It really helps her. She's getting worried now. You're okay, girl. You're okay. I'm hoping this helps some of you who have horses that get frantic, you know, to see what to do. It's real time, you know, there you go. It's real time, and this is kind of what happens when you ride horses. It can happen. And like I tell everyone, if I've heard people say, oh, I don't want to be a horse trainer, I just want to ride my horse. But what I say is anytime you interact with a horse, I don't care if you go to a county fair or a state fair and you're walking in the horse barn and you're petting horses, you're a horse trainer. You're just somewhere on the spectrum of bad to great. You're somewhere in there, okay? And so anytime you ride a horse, you got to be a horse trainer. So you really want to learn how to do this kind of stuff because you're going to need it. You could take the best trained horse out there and put an inexperienced rider on him, and the horse will descend to the level of the rider. Okay, it will not. Typically, the rider does not ascend to the level of the horse. Now, if you have a coach or something, yes, you can ascend to the level because they're going to be teaching you. And that's important too, to ride, not always ride green horses, ride horses that are trained. And, you know, because it's different. It's different when you're riding horses that are trained. Now I'm going to give her the cue to go. All right, come on, let's go, girl. There you go. Now see how she stopped there. And I let her take a break because I want to show her that she doesn't have to be frantic. So whatever she was thinking, I don't know, you know, got her bothered. Now you see, this is how she is. This is how she is a lot of times when I ride her. She's just, oh, there's a turkey. A lot of times she's like this, you know, when I ride her. But then she gets nervous. Here, so I'm gonna go around this tree here. I put my right leg on her. There. Nope. Oh, I got easy here. Easy. Easy. Easy, girl. Easy. Here we go, spinning. All right. You want to? Come on. So now I'm asking her to disengage her hind. Come on. Disengage your hind. There you go. Stop. Just relax. All right, she's racing off. She's leaving the country. I don't know what this is all about. Easy. She's getting pretty close to some of these trees. Easy, girl. Easy. 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 There we go. All right, let's go down in the creek. All right. I got to do some one rein stops on her. Get her just to relax. Easy. There you go. Easy. Good. All right, good. All right, let's go. Now she's just racing off again. See, you could tell that I stopped her. Like she just really engaged her rear end and was ready to take off, and I did not give her any leg or anything to do that. So there you go. Easy. All right, let's go down here. Is that where we go? No, we go this next one over here. She likes going in the creek. I'll take her in the creek. All right, whoa. Take it easy. All right, let's go down. There we go. It's cooler heels. Yeah. She likes going in the creek though. I don't know why. It helps relax her. And all our horses are barefoot. We work hard on their nutrition and how we house them, and you know, their turnout areas and stuff to help them really have hard hooves and not need shoes. And you can see we crashed through a bunch of rocky stuff here. This is all rock here, all over the creek. This way. Yeah, she loves being in the creek. We have such nice property here. We have hills, creeks. We got some spots where traffic is going by. So we got dogs. We have chickens. There's probably not a time I don't go out where I don't jump a deer. You know, so we have all this kind of stuff. So the horses, you know, horse and rider you get used to it, where you know, I don't know if you're ever used to a turkey jumping out in front of you or not, but you know what to do when it happens. And the horses get cooler about it. They don't lose their minds. The first time it happens, they usually get pretty boogered. I don't know if you can tell in this, but she's got her idle rolling right now. She's rolling through this creek right now. Now she's I was gonna say I spoke too soon. I said she's bringing it down, but then she just put in overdrive again. And I'm not giving her leg to do this. I'm just sitting actually pretty darn passive on her. I'm not sitting to tell her to stop, but okay. There we go. Let's go here. There we go. Okay. Now, okay, see how she's high-headed, but she's monitoring her speed right now. No, that's prickers there, darn it. Didn't listen to my leg of driving her off. No. All right, ease up. Try to get her to lower her head. There you go. Easy. There you go. Good. Down. Trying to get her to lower her head, because that'll calm her down. Okay, I'm going to turn her here. Come on. There you go. See? There you go. It's okay. There you go. See? Don't worry about it. It's okay. All right, let's head out. All right, let's turn her around. Try to get her to lower her head here. Every time she runs off with her high head, I'm gonna do a one rein stop like that, okay? So you'll see what I'm doing here. Now this is all fine. See how she's got her head down low? Her ears are checking in with me. She's listening, so I'm not gonna do anything here. Okay, right here I am. She's just raised her head. Easy, girl. Easy. 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 There you go. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Okay. Let's take off. And some of, like I tell people, Tennessee Walkers have some of the best personalities. They're really sweet, lovable horses. They really like people. And they have a gas pedal. So this is what I mean by a gas pedal. They can really get rolling, you know. Now they tend to be very good natured. Like if they're rolling, they're not trying to be mean and get you off or something, you know. Like some horses will easy. She's overreacting. Some horses are they don't care much for people. Some lines and some breeds I've seen that don't care much for people. You know, if you're not riding them every day, there'll be a problem. Tennessee Walkers are really nice. Here we go. So just turning around these trees. Here you go, girl. That's good. That's good. So I'm just gonna keep working her like this. She's really getting. She has her moments where she's just great, you know. That's why I think she's gonna really get to be a wonderful, wonderful horse. There, she dropped her head real nice there. There we go. Now she just raised it up. So take her head away. Get her to relax. So changing her thoughts, okay? If we understand that their body reacts to their thoughts, you know, if they raise their head real high, they're leaving the country, they're nervous, they're thinking something. Now you see, if you look at her reins right now, the reins are loose, and she's actually moderating her tempo. She still wants to go, but she's keeping it down, which I can feel it, you know, and I think that's really good. That it means I'm getting through to her that she's just going to try to get her to drop her head a little. I have my reins down low, put a little. There you go, good. See, but she just did it just to get me to stop. But I want her to do. There you go. Once she does it and she realizes, hey, that calms me down. It's like a health. It's like I said, it's like a panic attack. It's helping somebody know how to calm themselves down. Give them the tools. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. Here we go. So she's kind of walking a little bit sideways like this. Easy, girl. Easy. Yeah, such a good girl. Such a good girl. I love this horse. You're such a good girl, Blondie. Now, for whatever reason, she's maintaining it. She's holding it in. She's holding it together. She feels like she's gonna lose it any second. I'm just gonna pick up that. I just very much touched that, and she gave like that. That was really good. There. No. Oh, now she lost it. You were doing good, girl. What happened? What happened? There you go. There you go. Good. Good. There you go. That's good. See how she's rolling the cricket, or hear how she's rolling it, just intermittent? It's like she's getting it. She's starting to relax sometimes. She has moments. There. Good. 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 Just relax. We're fine. No, relax. It's turned out to be a real pretty day. I love the blue skies. Yeah. Love the blue skies. That's a good girl. See? And, I mean, she's sweating here. It's not me. I'm not driving her. You know, I'm riding. She's the one, you know. I think Eric says the horse picks the tempo, but we pick the dance. And so her tempo is is some real driving real fast, and I'm just adapting my dance to that and just using her tempo. See that hair of the cricket? That's a good sign. Just intermittent like that. It shows that she's relaxing. See? That's good. And she's learned this. I do a lot of this, just resting and waiting. But she still gets bothered. Anyhow, I'm gonna cut it here. Should people subscribe? They should. Hey, smash that like button and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.